What's going on, everybody? It's Tyro Investing here with another video. Today we'll be talking about Palantir, ticker PLTR. It just had its earnings. This is a big popular stock with retail, in my opinion. If you're on Twitter or X, you will definitely see a lot of people are drawn to it, and for good reason. It's a solid company. It's AI, it just had its earnings today. And the pattern I was watching on the weekly was this trend line here, starting all the way back from May. It's been riding an uptrend, and it did test it a few times, bounced, and it's basically been riding it. And now we got it into earnings. It bounced. It was basically on the trend line right at earnings, and it bounced all the way to now almost trading for $20. Now, where would I expect resistance, or if it blows past it to really, accelerate a move up? I'm looking at this $20.50 area. If it can get above that, I think it's clear skies ahead. We're looking at I would expect if it can get past that, it'll just be a matter of time until it hits 30. But yeah, it had a really good earnings. What do we see here? So it topped estimates. EPS, it was 8 cents, so it's been profitable now for, I believe, a whole year. So it's had a whole profitable year. And the revenue was a beat, and their guidance was even better. Analysts predicted 8 cents a share of revenue on $603 million. And I believe they were about $608 million or so. So they're just increasing. Their guidance is increasing. Their numbers are good. Obviously, you're seeing the reaction that people have post-market to the earnings. Very bullish. So this is the resistance I'm looking at, though. Here is right now it's almost hitting it in after hours. So I think the rest of this week will be very telling if we can get above this. It's already been rejected here once, and the reason that's my resistance line is because we do have a history of it touching here as support, and then it broke it down, and then all the way over here it rejected that area. So it would be a natural kind of flow if that is a big area for me. If it rejects, makes sense. If it gets over there and we have a weekly close above that, that would be very bullish for me. So, that's kind of what I'm seeing for Palantir. If you like this video, please give me a like. Also, subscribe to the channel. I would really, really appreciate that. Thank you very much. Also, follow me on Twitter at Tyro_investing. Would appreciate that as well. With all that being said, we'll catch you at the next video. See you later.